Class 6 students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss moral science, amazing lesson for life. Okay, Sophie learners. Chapter 1 already I have finished. Okay, and today I am going to discuss chapter 2. Chapter 2, personalities. Okay, our personality. I am going to discuss it. Personality means what? You know very well. Personality means व्यक्तित्व. Okay, which type of personality? There are many people in our country, they have different personality according to people, according to environment. Okay, and they have different standard of living according to heredity, according to society. Now I am going to discuss the personality. Clear? I think you can see it. I think you can see it. Okay, so try to understand our personality. We meet many teachers. Some of them have something special in them which makes us love them and respect them. It means what? Whenever you go to school, then you meet many people. Okay, many people, many teachers. Okay, different people you meet in also on the way and also in the school. We meet many teachers. Some of them have something special in them which makes us love and them and respect them. Okay, some they respect to you and some they don't respect. They behave in very pleasing manner. We feel like listening to whatever they say. Many people is good and many people is bad. They depend on it depend on their personality. Perhaps their appearance is good. They dress well. They often wear a smile when we seek their help. They readily help us. We may say that such teachers have a warm personality. You know very well there are many teachers in school. Okay, and they have different personalities. Okay, according to the teachers. Some personality is good and some personality is not well. Okay, okay, it means or not good. Okay, they have different personalities. Okay, according to societies, according to heredity. This happens not only with our teachers. They may have favorite uncles, aunties, and friends. We may have their favorite shopkeepers or postmen or barber or milkman. We have like their personality. I am not talking about only teachers. Okay, I am talking about uncles, aunties, friends, relatives, postman, barber, etc., milkman, anybody. Okay, they have different personalities. Okay, what is personality? Do you know what is personality? We need not to try to define in a simple same way as we would define a team in science. But what exactly personality is? We may say that it is the sum total of the qualities that make up a person's character. Our personality will tell you what type of persons we are. It will tell you how we may behave. It will tell how we will react to a given situation. We know very well in our society there are different peoples living in our society. Okay, and their qualities are different. Some are intelligent and some are not intelligent. Some are good and some are not good. Okay, and their education qualification, standard of living, all are different. Okay, some they behave good and some they not behave good. Okay, some appearance is good and some appearance is not good. Okay, so what are the things that make up our personality? We develop our personality. We develop our personality. If our personality is not good, then it is our duty to develop it. How we will develop it is totally depend on. So we should develop our. I think you are unable to see it. I am going to enlarge it. Okay, then you can see. very easily. Okay, I think you can see it. A lot depends on our parents. Our face is determined by our genes we get from them. A child of dark African parents will certainly look different from a child of fair African parents. The look of a Chinese child will be different from both of these. Scientists say that this difference is due to heredity. Just because a person has a good complexion, color of the skin, we can't say that the person will have a good personality. We know very well there are many countries in the world, okay, and some people is looking good and some people is not looking good. It means what? Their color is different, okay. China, Nepal, Bhutan, okay, European, American, etc. Their colors are different. They are not, uh, their complexion are different, okay. We cannot say that the person will have a good personality. We know very well many whites and blacks behave badly or very well. A girl with a beautiful, we know very well, we see beautiful girl, but his behavior is not good. Okay, we see there are many girls in girls, their appearance, their behavior is good. Okay, so all are different, not same. Okay, I think you can see it. So face need not necessarily behave well. On the other hand, a girl with an ugly face need not behave badly either. We may say that heredity is one of factor that decide our personality. According to situation, according to the society, according to heredity, it depends on. We can't change this factor. Why? Because we are not the creator of the world. We are just man. We are not creator of the world, because it is totally it is who is creator of the world? God is creator of the world. Okay, this is the saying that we can't change our face, but we can change the expression on our faces. We cannot change our face. If I am black, then I cannot white. Okay, if I am white, then I cannot black. Okay, who is the creator? God is created. Okay, heredity is not only factor. Heredity is not only factor. Our brother, sister, friends, and relative all contribution to our personality. The place where we live, the people with whom we move, and our everyday expression, all this influence to our personality. Suppose a child is born in family of thieves, then there is every chance to for him to hear stories of theft every day. It means what? Suppose you are a fisherman, then you know very well the story of fisherman. Suppose you are a thief, then you will listen the story of theft. Okay, so this is the background. We may hear about his father escaped the police. We may hear people praising the successful robbery. No one at home may tell him that theft is bad. Okay, gradually he may grow up as thief. Here we find that the atmosphere in the home developed an evil personality in him. He will behave a thief. We may have say that his personality developed in the personality of theft. Suppose there is a theft, okay, then he will obviously steal something according to the background, according to the heredity. He will definitely thief. Okay, he will steal something from the market. Okay, because his background is thieving, stealing something from the market. Okay, but even with the same background, he may not become a thief. He may develop a good personality under the influence of good friends. Okay, personality is changed according to the situation, according to the taking good thing in the market. Yeah, I think you can see it very well easily. Okay, I think you can see it. But even with the same background, he may not become a thief. He may develop a good personality under the influence of good friends. The opposite can also be happen. You might have seen some children born and brought up good parents going astray. This could probably be the result of bad companion. Okay, suppose there is a good man, then his background is good. Okay, and suppose there is a bad man, then his background is bad. Okay, a personality under the influence of good friends, the opposite can also happen. Okay, let us summarize that what we say for personality is the sum total of qualities. It is formed by heredity and environment. Already I have told you, if someone is bad, then his background is also bad. Okay, he meets with the people he meets with bad people, that's why he is bad. We can modify our personality, but suppose there is a bad man, then he can modify his qualities. Okay, he can modify his behavior. We should always try to improve our personality. We should behave well with others. Any opportunity to help others should be used well without saying from the right path. The Holy Bibles do to others like you would want them to do so. We know very well there are many holy books in the market. Okay, sold in the market. If you want to do better, then we will have to purchase it and we will have to read it. Okay, do better like you would want them to do better. Okay, this is last page I am going to discuss. Try to see it. I think you can see it very easily. I think you can see it. But how many of us follow this advice? Okay, if we can do it, so we can build a warm personality. According to each and everything is depend on us. Okay, remember that personality becomes important when we move with other people. The impression we create on the others decide our personality. Okay, if someone is sitting in front of you, then if he will not tell anything to you, then you cannot understand his personality. Okay, if he will tell something and he will behave good, then you can understand the personality of that people. Okay, according to the situation. Not that we should have in such a way as to create artificial impression. We should behave naturally and make good impression. Okay, if we think in the right way, feel good for others and cultivate helping attitude, we will make a good impression. If you want to make your career lucid, then make good friends and try to build your good personalities. Okay, according to the good environment. Well, this is what we mean by developing a pleasant personality. Right from childhood, we should try to develop a warm personality. It is our duty to develop a good personality. Okay, after a certain age, when our character becomes set, it becomes difficult to make changes. You are now you are children. You can change your attitude. You can change your character. You can change your personality. But whenever you will after growing but after a certain age, it will be difficult for you. You might have heard proverbs, old habits die hard. Of course, it is possible to make changes at any age, but that may not be easy. Incidentally, it points to the need for parents to set the good example for their children. Okay, it is not many that makes a good personality. Does a smile cost us anything? But how often do we smile? Which do we speak more, loving words or words of quarrel? We have to conscious of the impression we make on others. We have to be conscious of the personality we display. According to this paragraph, we will have to build our good personality in our body. Okay, if your personality is good, then everybody will like you. If your personality is bad, then nobody will like you. So try to try to build your good personality. Okay, try to take good try to build a good attitude. Okay, and the good personality is always, what is the conclusion? Good personality is always welcomed by others. If your personality is good, then you will get respect from the others. We should never try to hurt, okay, others by our behavior. Whenever we will say something to anyone, then our we will uh, give respect to others, either he is small or big, okay. We should not try to hurt. We should try to develop a good personality right from our childhood, okay. It is your duty to develop a good personality from childhood. But when you will after a certain age, you cannot make your you cannot change your character, okay. Why? Because because it becomes difficult to make changes, okay, after a certain age. We know very well. Clear? So today I have completed your second chapter, okay. And in next day I will discuss question answer, inside question answer of this chapter. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe this channel, okay.